Hey guys, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I wanted to share some incoming happy mail. First is this die that Sharon over at From Cheek to Chic sent over to me. This makes a mini box. I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much for sending this my way. I'm so excited to make this box. Diana with Diana Love Color, she sent me a package and it got returned to her, and she was so nice to resend it out, but she sent over some Valentine's Day goodies, some dies, some stickers, some heart doilies, some Hello Kitties, so cute. We have some glittered tags in here and this cute postcard. Thank you, Diana, for thinking of me on Valentine's Day. I appreciate it. I won a prize when Stace did her 1,000 subscriber celebration, and Lori at PewDiePie Designs, I will link both their channels down below. I won the Pokey tool, and I do not have one of these, so I was so excited to receive this. Lori, this is beautiful. You do amazing work. I'm so excited to have this in my stash. She also sent over this cute beaded pen. It has the butterfly charm. It's purple. It's so cute. I love the purple. Thank you so much. I will link all their channels down below. Thank you, Sharon, Diana, and Lori. Thank you, everyone, for stopping by my craft room, and have a great day. Bye, guys.